Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in a Lenovo 11E Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the two plastic screw covers and the two screws underneath the covers on the front bezel. Next, you will use your spudger to carefully pry apart and remove the front bezel. Now, you will remove the 4 LCD mounting screws. Next, you will pull the LCD toward you and disconnect the LCD cable. Now that the LCD is removed, the first step in the LCD installation process will be to reconnect the LCD cable. Next, you can set the LCD back into place in the top cover and replace the 4 LCD mounting screws. Next, you will snap the front bezel back onto the top cover. The final step will be to replace the 2 front bezel screws and the 2 plastic screw covers. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your Lenovo Chromebook. Good job!